today we have this Google Pixel 6a. It's actually my wife's phone. So our last day of holidays, unfortunately she's after breaking the screen. So if you see, if I turn it on now, it's only, this is all that's left. So it did start off just a small little ink splatter there. And gradually as the day, 2 days I think before it was fully gone, just completely took over the screen. So it's completely dead now. So you can't really do anything with it. So you can see where it is there. So I went on to iFixit and we got our replacement screen. So I bought the full pack. So this is the screen, hopefully. There's our adhesive, and then we also got the tools that we need. So we're gonna just try it just with the tools that iFixit sent out. So they have all of these, and they also have a set of picks. They also have this eye opener. So this is like a heat pack. We're gonna heat it up, try and loosen the adhesive, and some alcohol wipes as well. So that's all that we got in the set for this. So some nice, first time I've ever had iFixit tools, but yeah, they seem like good quality ones. I'm always interested to buy a set from them, but never got there yet. But no, these are, you can tell they're nice tools. They're nice little writings. If you can, a lot of them have like nice little things wrote on them as well. What's this one say? Repair is noble. You can see that. And the screw, I don't think there's any even screw. I don't think we need screws in this. What's the Torx T3. This is the Phillips head. And this is a Torx as well. That's a Torx as well. So I'm not sure. I don't think we need that for just screen replacement. You can see it lighting up a bit more now around there. So I wonder would it turn off for me. So the guide looks fairly simple. We heat it up around the edges. We use these picks then to release the screen from the shell. Just go around and around with it until it's released. There's one ribbon cable then to take off, and we put in the new one, put new adhesive on, and hopefully that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down and put this in the microwave, heat it up, and we'll start to get going then hopefully on this. So we'll go heat this up now first. Okay, so we're back now. So it's all nice and heated up. So it says to leave this on the edge, just like a hot water bottle. Just to leave it on this side for a couple of minutes, hopefully to loosen the adhesive. So we leave that there for 2 minutes and come back then. Where is this stuff? Just here somewhere. Okay, so if I open up, there should be, yeah. Okay, so that, yes, that must be okay. That full bezel, I guess, that we're meant to open up. It's out now anyways. Okay, let's hope nothing is damaged. We should pop there. are free. There's our old broken screen out. I'm just hoping to see what's in this new one. Okay, yeah, so the new one comes with the bezels, or the little tabs and all as well. Look like they're the same screen, hopefully. Now I will have to, so without having to try and mess with the fingerprint scanner here, we will have to try and calibrate that. So Google do have, I think, software there that's free to do to calibrate the new fingerprint sensor. So not unlike another certain phone maker that bans you from doing certain things like that. So let's just see if we can clip this down into place. No, it should be in place. So it's back in there. So before I do anything, let's see if I turn it on. I can see a Google sign here. Lovely. So there's the screen is back working. So I wonder, can I turn it all back off? I can see we're off. Okay, so now it's powered all off. So that's good. So I'll just lighten that up against that. So now what I need to do is use the spudger then. Is I need to go around now and clean off all the remnants that are still here and give it a wipe down with IPA as well.
A few moments later.
So now that we have that part on it, we need to put on some of this stuff out of the way. Put on the new sealant. I wonder which way does it go. It looks like it's looks to be it, isn't it? Or does it go this way? I'd say that's actually it, yeah. It goes on like that somehow. Somewhere there. So if that's the case, I need to pull this part. So let's hope now we can get this right. Sorry, now my head might get in the way. Not too bad there. Oh, just the right orientation, no? I don't have another one of these. Small over there. This should be. Is there a way to? I have to use my pick now to try and. Oh, it's this actually. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's the sticky part back on. So now we're just literally reassemble. So now I don't want to get this on the sticky parts. wanna test again, it turns on. Make sure before we go and put this back in and seal it up. Yeah, it seems to be power off. Okay, so be happy enough with that. Oh, it might be hard to see. Now we insert this back in. Easier to put in than it was to take out. There, like that. Perfect. Okay, everything looks good. Ooh. Oh, there's actually still another layer on that, so I can still come across and just make sure it's all nice and neat. Now, so then I grab there we go, grab this. Okay, so we just turn it over, pop it in. Whoops. Oh no. Should have noticed that now first. So she has she has a dent in the screen, or in the metal chassis here. It's stopping me from, you should have put that side in first. I could ruin everything now. I'm gonna damage the screen. Okay, we managed to get it in. Yeah, like the damage to it there was already not going to be as waterproof as it should be. But it's on. Screen is working. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'll just do it off screen, is I'm just going to get the fingerprint back working on it, and then I'll just show you when it's all up and running. And if you try, before we do this, if you try and set a new fingerprint, you just get an error with the fingerprints. So that's what we're going to fix now. So again, add fingerprint, it just keeps giving us an error. So when we set it up with the computer, then this should work again. Okay, so now we have already done. So if I go this here, add fingerprint. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe I need to restart. That didn't work first time. Let's try it again when I restart. Okay, so we've restarted, hopefully. Yes, there we go. Fingerprint is working. So that's working perfectly. And when I was just resetting this, I noticed something really stupid. So see if anyone can tell me what I done wrong. That's really kind of annoying. So I'll leave it here for another second. Anyone able to see? Some people will be screaming at me probably before I put on the screen protector, or put back on the screen, but I forgot to take off the cover for the selfie camera. So the cover is in underneath. Let's just see if I go to the camera. Yeah, which means I'm going to have to do this all again. I'm going to have to get a new new sealant again. Get another bit of sealant. We've done so well, and everything else worked fine. But look, at least we've done it once. Just have to do it again and hopefully not break the screen. But that's quite annoying for getting something so stupid. Or I wonder, could I even try and take it off? We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, back working perfectly fine. Here's the old screen, new screen. So yeah, nice DIY job. Just don't forget to take off the covers. Thanks for watching. We see you again.
A few moments later.
Okay, so just quick update. So just instead of getting new one, I said I'd just heat this up again and just try to get in while it's still fresh, get in on the top cover, and then just lift it up and use my tweezers to get in. So you can see it's now working. May have compromised slightly the waterproof state of it, but look, at least it's working now again, and the camera's working, so it should be okay for now. Yeah, thank you.